This short video is going to introduce us to the new Haoye Company V2 fans. I call them V2 because they're quite new, different from their original fans, which really have been around for a very long time, and we're all familiar with the 5-blade rotor, 5 stators on the original Haoye fans. They come in sizes from 90 up to 125 or 7 millimeter. This is a 90 millimeter fan, which I have ready to install in one of my jets. And these are the rotors that the Haoye Company is manufacturing. Now, we all know these right now as lander rotors. Actually, they're made by the Haoye Company, which is a very big company that OEMs to many other manufacturers. This is a 110 millimeter rotor, and as you can see, it's constructed the same as the 90 millimeter rotors. What's different about these are the housings. If you look, you'll see 12 stators on this 110 millimeter housing. Much different than the 5 stator designs, and really best suited to match their 12-bladed rotors. All the housings will come with an inlet ring that can be used in place of inlet ducting, or if your design has inlet ducting, you could take the inlet ring off and put your ducting right up to the housing. I have a 100 millimeter housing, same construction, 12 stators. The 90 millimeter housing has a 37 millimeter bore suitable for 36 millimeter motors. The 100 and 110 millimeter housings both have a 48.5 millimeter inner bore and we will soon have the specs on the bore size for the larger fans. Again, very stout housing, very stiff. The rotors, again, very stiff construction, very stout rotors that balance out quite nicely. On the 90 millimeter, you can see where I put a little bit of clear lacquer on the blades to balance the rotor, and a very small amount of material remover to bring them into good balance. Adapters. These are the larger adapters for the 100 millimeter and above, available with both a clamp type and a set screw. 90 millimeter adapters come with both a 8 millimeter shaft adapter and a 5 millimeter shaft adapter. There's the 8 and the 5 millimeter. Spinners, again, very similar because they're made by Haoye as what you would be normally used to as a lander rotor and spinner. On the 90 millimeter size, the adapters are threaded to accept a screw, and this allows you also the ability to rotate the spinner in a clock type of balance to achieve fine tuning. The larger diameter fans have an internal thread on the spinner, and they're attached via the threads on the adapter. Very beautiful units. The rotors are really beautiful and stout. Again, that is the 110 millimeter size. Soon we will have the larger units above 110 millimeter to test. But this is showing you all the new designs in their EDF fans from the Haoye Company.